The Galaxy S25 Edge has finally surfaced in a hands-on video, giving us a real look at Samsung's upcoming flagship. A lucky YouTuber managed to get their hands on the device and shared a short clip showcasing it. Unlike previous leaks or dummy models, this is a fully functional unit, providing a genuine preview of its design and features. However, as of now, the original video has been deleted, making this early look even more exclusive. One of the most striking aspects of the S25 Edge is its incredibly thin profile. When placed next to an unfolded Galaxy Z Fold 6, it doesn't appear much thicker. Considering that the Fold 6 measures just 5.6 millimeters when fully open, this suggests that the S25 Edge is likely under 6 millimeters, excluding the camera bump. Some reports claim the phone is exactly 5.84 millimeters thick, but since the video doesn't confirm this, we'll have to wait for further verification. Regardless, this would make the S25 Edge one of the thinnest smartphones ever produced. There have been discussions about whether Samsung copied the iPhone 16's camera design, but this claim doesn't hold up. In reality, the S25 Edge camera layout closely resembles that of the Galaxy Z Fold 4, with the primary difference being that Samsung has reduced the number of cameras to 2. This design choice follows Samsung's existing approach to camera placement on ultra-thin devices. If there's any comparison to be made, it's Apple that should be questioned, considering the Galaxy Z Fold 4 was released long before the iPhone 16. Despite the video being in Spanish, some key details were revealed using the iOS64 app. According to the app, the Galaxy S25 Edge is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. It also houses a 4,000 mAh battery, which is impressive for such a slim design. The app lists 3 12MP sensors for the camera system, but this is likely based on default resolution settings rather than actual sensor specs. The much-rumored 200MP main camera could still be part of the final device. With this early hands-on look, the Galaxy S25 Edge is shaping up to be an exciting release. What are your thoughts on this ultra-thin flagship? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this breakdown, consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.